I've owned this for about 4 years, and the previous owner was a friend of mine. He had it for about 10, I believe. And along the way, neither he or I had a bug deflector on this. We're guessing the original owner did. They took it off. You can see they kind of touched up. Just some spots in here along the way. There's a little spot here. I don't know if it had a bump or something at one point. I don't know if you can see it in there. On the outside, you don't really notice it at all. And it is the original hood, so it's not like it was anything considerable. It has also had a lot of gasket work done as well. I replaced everything that needed to be done. So most recently, throttle cable. We did that has a brand new condenser for the air conditioner. Sorry, compressor for the air conditioner. We did the valve cover gasket. We did the front seal and the oil pump seal and the distributor seal inside of here. I think there's 3 of them. And the rear main seal has been replaced as well too. So it doesn't leak anything. Runs really well. That's it.